Hello and welcome back to our channel guys. And today we are going to do the match review of Real Madrid versus Atletico Madrid. Both teams battle it out in a tense Madrid derby, ending a dramatic 1-1 draw. Kylian Mbappe came to the rescue once again, keeping Los Blancos at the top of La Liga. So before we dive in, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button and ring the bell icon for all the latest football updates. Now let's get into the action. Real Madrid head coach Carlo Ancelotti played this game with a 4-2-3-1 formation, in which he started Thibaut Courtois at goal, Lucas Vazquez at right back, Aurelien Tchouameni and Raul Asensio were the two centre-backs, and Ferran Garcia played this game at left back. Fede Valverde and Dani Ceballos were the two defensive midfielders. Jude Bellingham played this game as a central attacking midfielder, Rodrigo played this game as a right winger, Vinicius Jr. as a left winger, and Kylian Mbappe played this game as a centre forward. While Atletico Madrid head coach Diego Simeone played this game with a 4-4-2 formation, in which he started Jan Oblak at goal, Marcos Llorente at right back, Jimenez and Clement Lenglet were the two centre backs, and Javi Galán played this game at left back. In midfield, Rodrigo De Paul started this game alongside Giuliano Simeone, Barrios and Samuel Lino, while in attack, Griezmann started this game alongside Julian Alvarez as a centre forward. So guys, the first half was a cagey affair, but everything changed in the 34th minute when Aurelien Tchouameni clipped Samuel Lino inside the box, and after a VAR review, the referee pointed to the spot. Up stepped Julian Alvarez, who coolly sent Thibaut Courtois the wrong way after scoring a humiliating and cheeky panenka at the Santiago Bernabeu to put Atletico 1-0 up. Real Madrid came out firing in the second half, piling pressure on Jan Oblak, who pulled off some brilliant saves to keep Atletico Madrid ahead, but Real Madrid wouldn't just back down. Finally, the breakthrough arrived. Jude Bellingham's shot was parried by Jan Oblak, but guess who was there? Kylian Mbappe. The French superstar pounced on the rebound to make it 1-1. Real Madrid almost stole the win in the dying minutes. Jude Bellingham rose highest for a header, but smashed it off the crossbar. It was so close. So guys, now let's take a look at the match stats. Real Madrid took a total of 23 shots, in which 9 of them were on target, while Atletico Madrid took a total of 10 shots, in which only 1 of them was on target. Real Madrid had 61% of possession, while Atletico Madrid had 39% of possession. Real Madrid completed 664 passes, while Atletico Madrid completed 440 passes. Real Madrid had 92% of passing accuracy, while Atletico Madrid had 86% of passing accuracy. Real Madrid committed 14 fouls, while Atletico Madrid committed 13 fouls. Real Madrid got 1 yellow card, while Atletico Madrid got 3 yellow cards. So guys, the draw keeps Real Madrid at the top of La Liga, and now all eyes on their massive Champions League showdown against Manchester City. And who should be blamed in Real Madrid for this draw against Atletico Madrid? Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more football content. See you until next time. Thank you.